Hey, hi, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Welcome back to my channel. Today's session we'll be learning how to set up a print area in Excel. So I have a data with column A to J. So let's try to print this data. So for that we can go to File, Print, and you can see the preview here. Escape again. We can use a shortcut called as CTRL+P. It also takes to the same thing. Whereas you can see here it shows 4 pages. 4 pages because the data is not aligned and it is linked to the notes and score columns are moving to third and fourth sheet, which is not in a correct format, right? Let's try to fix the issue here. Let's do escape, go back to this. So first thing is we'll check why it is spilling. So if there is options here below, you can see the options here. You can select one of these option where it gives the breakups. So data is not, see, this format is not correcting coming correctly. The blue line is nothing but it is getting breaked. The page number is break. This is second page, this is third page. These are showing in a different thing. So we need to align this into correct format so that you're able to print properly. So you can click on this normal again. It comes to the normal format. First to select the data, go to page layout, print area, clear print area. Clear print area is nothing but if this page is set up some print area option that we need to clear it first. Then select the data which you need to print. Again go to page layout, print area. So now we have set up this as a print area. So we need to make some changes because these things are not coming. Column I and J it's not showing. So again you can go to print area, set up a print area is already done. So let's click CTRL+P. It's directly take you to the print area. So here you can see, you can say portrait. Portrait is nothing but it is coming in a horizontal ways. Let's put in a vertical. So it's in vertical. Let's put it in horizontal now. Now we can see that notes and score column is showing here when we have only 2 sheets here. So we are able to get the 2 days data in 2 sheets. Whereas the second sheet it doesn't have the header. We need to set up the header first. Let's try to do that. So for that there is a, you can see the page setup here. This is also shortcut. You can go and click it here. It takes to you this, and portrait we already set it as landscape, adjusted to 100. So letter size. So if you are using it to A4 size, you can set it to A4 here or you can set it here also. Okay. So I've set it as A4 size and margins. So now as you can see the data is in the left hand side. We need it in the center. So either you can move this left and right of the margins and top and bottom. Header and footer also you can change the margins. Currently we need to fit it to the middle of the sheet. So you can say click on this horizontal. Now it has come in the, now it has come into the middle, right? You can see here. So once you're done, go to header and footer. That we'll going to do it. We set up this header and footer. Go to sheet, under sheet. So we need to set this the range. So let's click OK first. So we'll go back one step back to the Excel sheet. Okay. Now we are into the Excel sheet. So here what you can do, go to this page layout, print titles, go to the sheet. So rows to repeat at top. So we need to get the headers to be repeated to the next sheet also. So I'm going to click on this box, select the column 1, enter row of the first row. So I've selected the entire row. So click OK, or you can click on the print view. Print view gives us the, see now it is here. Go to page number 2 and we are able to get the headers here, right? So let's go back to the print area setup. So now we got, but I need to set up a header for this. Header means I need to know that what report we are. So we are doing it for a ABC company report. So either you can go and select the options here, which is already defined, or you can customize. So let me customize it to center. Says ABC company reports. Okay, click OK, and below is a custom footer. The below we need to get what options. So you can go down. There are a lot of options here. Let's select, say I need to select only the sheet 1. I should get the sheet number, and it's a confidential data, and I need to get the date. So you can use its confidential date and page number. Date will be a current date. Whenever you're preparing this report, the date should be it will be showing that same day. Click OK. So now you can see confidential, date, page numbers, and company name here. Right? You got it. So wherever you can see here, there is no grid lines, and it is not aligned. So difficult to see the data which is related to same. So we need to get the borders. Again, for that, what you can do is go back to the Excel. Okay, once you go back to the Excel and the page layout, you can see these grid lines. View. If you remove it, everything grid lines will be removed. For the print also, you should show the grid lines. Just click on this option. So now go to print. So now you can see grid lines, page number 1 and page number 2. So it's everything is in aligned, right? So you can right now can print this data. Either you can select your printer and do it from here, or let me convert into a PDF now. So I want to convert this into a PDF. Click here to PDF. Okay, print now. So let's put it as ABC company reports. Okay. Let me save it. So once it's saved, let me go to that file. This is your, see, data has been with the confidential date and page numbers and headers and the company name. Either you can send this, save it and send it to your managers, or you can print this data. I hope this was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. I'll try to create a video in future. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.